How to use templates for fast editing. First of all, open the app on your device. At the bottom bar, you will see three options: Project, Template, and Free Store. Tap on Template to access the pre-made editing templates. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your video style. Templates come with pre-arranged clips, effect, text, and music, allowing you to create polished videos quickly without starting from scratch. Tap on the template to apply it to your project. Replace the placeholder clips and images with your own videos and photos. Adjust text, change music, and customize colors or effect to match your style. Preview your video to ensure everything looks smooth and professional. Now you know how to use templates for fast editing in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.